Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a website using Canva in 2025. So let's get started. First open Google and search for canva.com. Click on the first link to open the Canva homepage. On the main page, look to the right hand side and click on the website icon. A new interface will appear. You can either start from scratch or use a ready-made template. Scroll down and you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. At the top, you'll find different categories listed above the templates such as portfolio, clothing storage, clothing brand, business, food, and many more. In this tutorial, I'm choosing a template that includes 5 sections, so I'll click on apply all 5 pages. Once applied, all 5 sections of the template will appear for editing. Now let's start customizing. First, we'll change the main title of the website. To replace the image, click on the Uploads button on the left. If you want to upload an image from your computer, click on Upload. But since I already have some images uploaded, I'll select one from there. Once inserted, adjust the images needed, scroll down to the second section and start editing by deleting the existing images and inserting your own. I'll be adding 3 images here, then update the next content with your own. Add a new section title and adjust the text size or make it bold to match your style. Moving on the next section, replace the image and add your delivery information. In the following section, give it a new title and insert your contact details like location, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook links, and your phone number. Now your website is almost ready. To preview it, click on the preview button in the top right corner to see how your site will appear live. Once done, go back to the editor. If you want to add movement to your site, click on the animate option from the top bar. You'll see many animation styles. Choose one and apply it to your sections to make the site more dynamic. Finally, when you are ready to publish, click on Publish Website, enter your site address, choose your domain, adjust your settings, and then hit Publish. That's it, your website is now live and ready to share. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.